In this video, I'm going to show you how I made very simple looking tea light candles out of some exotic wood. I'm also doing a giveaway and plan to send this black limba tea light candle to one of the supporters of my struggling channel. I decided on 4 and 3-inch squares for this project. The 3-inch pieces would sit centered on top of the 4-inch piece, and the hole for the candle would just be drilled in the center of the 3-inch piece. I don't have a chop saw yet, so I'm making my cuts on my table saw. Looking back, I definitely should have started with my circular saw to get this board to a more manageable size. Here, I'm just trying to get all the sides even. This is a great example of how not to find the center. A much easier way is to draw lines diagonally from the corners. This way, the line intersects perfectly in the middle. To carve out the space for the tea light candles, I'm using a 1 5/8 inch Forstner bit. The candles are about 1.5 inches in diameter, so this bit should do the job. Hello, black and white dog. Next, I'm just using my sander to smooth out all the surfaces. Oops, lost my dust collection. Alright, ready for it? Here I'm adjusting my sander to put a 45-degree chamfer on the top edges. Now it's time for the glue up. These are really looking nice. You can see the differences between the lighter and darker padauk. I'm going to use my chisel to scrape off some of the glue squeeze out. And now the long process of sanding. I sanded these down to 220 grit, and now I'm dampening it to force the grains to stick out. After it dries, I'll knock those off with one quick sanding. As always, thank you so much for making it this far into my video. Please support me by liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I want to continue improving my skills and share what I learn with you. As promised, let's get to the giveaway. I ended up making quite a few of these because it got easier and quicker after I made a couple. In addition to the padauk, I made some out of leopardwood and also black limba. Check out the link in the description to purchase these as well as other projects I've completed. So if you want a free black limba tea light candle holder, here are the rules. They're pretty easy. First thing you need to do is subscribe to my channel. Then write down in the comments what color my dog is. She made a quick appearance in this video. Everyone should like free stuff, so hopefully I'll get a few takers this time. I'll respond to the lucky winner in the comments and ask you to provide me your address via email so I can ship it to you. Best of luck!